Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm bringing you another remote opportunity, but this opportunity is pretty unique. It's a little different, but you make money, okay? So, you can get paid doing this job. The name of the company is Sigtrack, okay? And they are now accepting new users. So, they have a how do I start option and then a how do I get paid. And so, you're able to click on either one of these options. How do I start? To learn more about that, and then how do I get paid to learn how you'll be getting paid. So this program I just kind of want to bring to you because anything that has to do with remote work and you're getting paid, I want to be able to present all of the opportunities for you. Okay, so hopefully you appreciate that. So, what is Sigtrack? Okay, I'm glad you asked. So, Sigtrack is a database application that links grassroots campaigns with crowdsourced data entry freelancers. So, freelancers that do data entry are linked to these campaigns through Sigtrack, and you will be assisted in that area. Okay. So, the legal requirements for this program is access to voter data is restricted by law. Every user must provide proof of U.S. residency, okay? Independent contracts cannot be residents of or work in California or Massachusetts for this. And then the system requirements is you need a Windows 10 or 11 or Mac OS 10.15 plus, a high-speed internet, single 4K monitor, or a second 1080p monitor. So if you click on how do I start, you would click on getting started and it'll generate this page right here. So these are the requirements. You'll go through the requirements and then how to sign up. So step one, the requirements by various election laws, you must be a U.S. resident to do this work. You cannot reside in California or Massachusetts, as I spoke earlier. You must have a PayPal account, okay, for this job. And once again, your Windows 10 or 11 you need, or Mac OS. And then a dual monitor setup or 4K monitor is not required as well, but is highly recommended for you, okay? So how to sign up. You take a 3 to 5 second video of your driver's license or state ID next to your face. The video file needs to be at least 5 megabytes or less in size. So let the camera focus on the text of your ID because they need to be able to read it. Email the brief video to support at sigtrack.net, okay? Alrighty, and so a little alert, if you read the red box, you want to read that to make sure you're doing everything properly and any other additional information they want you to know. So we will never ask for money nor send you a check, and they want you to know that, okay? We do not do any interviews on Facebook. The only application process is to email support at sigtrack.net. If you see anything to the contrary or another website or from an email address, please let them know immediately, okay? So they're letting you know this is how they do things. They don't do things any other kind of way. So if you are getting any other spam information or anything like that, they need you to let them know because they're an honest company and they really do pay and they want you to be able to work for a company that is actually there for you, okay? All right, so these are the terms and conditions. You want to go through that and read that. And so if you simply just click back to get to the how do I get paid right here, you'll click how do I get paid, click how pay works. And once again, you'll need a PayPal account, okay, to do this job. So this is an example of the pay. So if the best value of the day's work is $120, your share would be as follows: 90% accuracy, $60, minimum 50%, 92% accuracy, $60. So you'll just follow that, okay, that pay grade and how they work. That's their example. All right, and so you won't get paid for tax if tax should not have been entered in the first place because the line is blank or crossed out. So this is basically where they'll show you how to do the job properly and what you will and won't get paid for. When you get paid, as of June 7, pay turnaround will be each Friday after the end of prior calendar week. All right, so that's something to know. And what is realistic? You treat your first 20 hours as practice and don't plan on seeing much money until you've gone through the learning curve. Whereas day one, you might only tag 100 signatures per hour and have a high error rate. Day three, you should aim for 300 tags per hour with few errors. So you just go through the program and you learn more about that, and you'll know more as you go ahead and sign up for this job. And so this is a speed test that you would take to just make sure your computer is up to par with their qualifications. All right. So this is just a program that I wanted to let you know about. And so you can always click here for the app guide, job specs, YouTube video, leaderboard, troubleshooting, things of that sort to kind of learn more. So if you click on app guide, it'll generate this page and select the guide chapter so you can learn more about how to do this job. So when you start working for the job, you'll do it appropriately, okay? So installation, you can click here, badges, essentials, peer review, search and tag. So these are different chapters and different app guides to learn how to do this job, okay? And then job specs, if you click there, these are other categories where you can go in and learn about different programs and different opportunities and learn about the different stakes and job specs, okay? Specifications for this job. So then you'll click back to home and it'll take you right back here, okay? And then troubleshooting, you can click there and the leaderboard will kind of show you of who's like really doing a great job. And these are different people that are. And then troubleshooting, you can click there to kind of troubleshoot your issues and ask any questions and see what you can do there. So click home. And so once you go ahead and send that email of how to get started and follow those steps, they'll get back to you. So thank you so much for tuning in. Like, share, and subscribe. And have a beautiful, blessed day.